Hi, guys. Thanks for stopping back for part two of the t shirt design. Today, I want to show you how we are going to take our design that we made and upload it into um, your selling platform like Etsy or um, wherever you may sell your designs or your t-shirts at. So I'm going to show you how to make simple and easy mock-ups for that. So what I did, I took the liberty for the sake of time of going ahead and starting some things. But what you want to do when you open Canva, you want to create a new file and or create a new design. And when you do that, you're going to have the option to choose custom size. Now, the size that I've chosen, and I find that this works pretty well with Etsy for displays on Etsy. I make the mock-up displays 2500 by 2100 pixels. So when I did that, I ended up with this size design. So I just wanted to let you know what I did there. So you're going to end up with something this size, 25 by 2100, and this is simply for the display on Etsy, for all of your displays, actually. I also took the liberty of uploading the design, was this sassy little lady right here. So what I did was I just uploaded the design and I copied it onto the canvas. Now, this white kind of represents like a white t-shirt. So this shows what the design would look like on a white t-shirt. So you can make it as large as you want or as small as you want. You can pull it over to the side a little bit. Don't pull it all the way to the end because this it fits well on Etsy, but it kind of cuts off a little piece of the edge, maybe about half an inch or something on each side. So don't put it all the way to the end. Put it somewhat, there. And then if you want to add some text to the side, about your design or whatever you want to say, great t-shirt designs, whatever you may want to say. We're going to reduce this text size a little bit. So, you can basically do whatever you want because this is your display. Okay. I'm not going to do that, but you are definitely welcome to do that because remember, this is the display that will be on Etsy. So when people type in, t-shirt designs, if you're selling an actual t-shirt design, that would come up. Whatever you're selling on Etsy, this is going to be your main page. You might be selling the actual t-shirt, and we're going to show you how you would implement that on this beautiful model mock-up as well to show as a first page design or a first page showing or viewing on Etsy. Okay, your display. So when you put your design on Etsy, people do steal things. We know that. And you don't want people to steal your design. So what you want to do is create a watermark. And I'm sure you've heard that term before. So you can create your own, very simple. And I've taken the liberty of actually doing that. So I am going to change the font on this to something a little more script like. So let's make it, let's see what that's good. But what you want to do is you want to change that color. You don't want it to be black. You want it to be a lighter color, maybe a light gray. So let's just copy this and put it back up here. And you see when you do that, it protects your design. But this is a little dark, so I want to change the transparency because you want it to be there, but you don't want it to interfere with the viewing of the design. So it's there, but it does not take up any space or it doesn't take away from the design itself. So there you go. So that's what people would see on Etsy. Now, we're going to go down here and we are actually going to go back to our uploads and your design. If you click on the page and then click the design, it pops over. So I have created these beautiful models. So I do have them available. I will have them available in my shop. So stay tuned for those. You can purchase those if you like. So now we have it shown here on a white t-shirt. And again, if you want to take your watermark and put it on this one, you can do that as well. If you like to do that, it's up to you. Some people do, some people don't. I've seen it many ways. So now we're actually going to copy and paste it down here on this beautiful model who's wearing a black crop shirt. We're going to paste it down there so that people can see how it looks on a black t-shirt as well. So we're going to highlight both of the items. We are going to now copy and paste. Okay. So we can actually make this one a little wider because her shoulders are a little wider, so we can make it a little wider. Okay, and it looks just like she has it on the shirt. And you notice this one, I angled it a little bit because, you know, she's kind of angled with her hand on her hip a little bit. So you can, you know, take it and take the design and move it around as you want to. Okay, so that's beautiful. So there are your mock-ups. And what you want to do with these, you now would actually go to share and you would click on download and you would click PNG or JPEG, either one, PNG and JPEG or JPEG. And you want to, let's see, what's on page 4? Yeah, we don't need this anymore, so I'll delete that page. So you are then going to share, you're going to download these 3 pages, and you're going to download them into your downloads folder. So it's now downloading. So that is how you can create a mock-up, a quick and easy mock-up with a watermark to protect your design. Canva is one of the easiest platforms to work with. I love it because you can easily, you know, add different photos and things to your folders, and so it's just a very versatile, simple, easy way to learn. I did learn Adobe Photoshop, but that was a little more difficult and cumbersome. Canva is just a very hands-on, easy learning, user-friendly way of creating art. It's an easy way to create your mock-ups for your selling platform. So it's really a great, great tool. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is, you know, part 2. So stay tuned. I've got more videos coming. You know, I'm just started this channel, so it's brand new, but I have so much information to give you and to share with you. I'm excited about it. I love doing this. So please stay tuned. Please like and share the channel, and I will really appreciate. Please give me any comments that you have, and I'll try to answer everything that I can. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I will see you soon. Happy creative day. Bye.